Let's do a little sound test. These are with the, how are the hippos? They're okay. So these are palm pandas. I actually don't mind this. So yeah, we're gonna build up this today. We're gonna have some fun with this. Like I said, there's lots of components. I've never done something like this before. Let's learn together, because why not? So we get some cool stuff in here. Thank you so much for your order. Love Yankar. Daw, thanks my guy. Look at it, it's so pretty. I like the PCB. Alright, let me get the silicone mat. Ooh, pretty. Pretty cool, gamers. Let's move this out of the way. Let's move these into here. Alright. Let's fool around with keyboard stuff, shall we, everybody? Shall we have some fun today? Alright. First things first. We're going to do all these diode thingies. So we need these. Ooh, we did one, guys. Now we're just going to fold it down. Wow, chat, we did one. Pog. Big Pog. Where is this board available? This is available on Novel Keys, I think mykeyboard.eu, and I'm pretty positive it'll have everything listed on the page. Pretty positive. Pretty positive. Do you reckon the board is going to sound as good without a case? Yeah, I don't think it'll sound bad at all. I've seen these sound pretty damn good. This is like just a really exciting project for me as well. Dude, I'm pumped up. I am all for new things I've never done before. Loving new projects, dude. If you guys want to, by the way, this is available on Novel Keys. Like I said, fun projects. These are actually really, really fun. We've had Yankar on Keebcast as well. And also the person responsible for the PCBs with the Stellar 65 and Stellar 12. Yeah, dude, I think we're doing a good job. Let me show you guys. Look. I think we're doing pretty good, with the exception of this one over here. That's the only one I don't like. I think I shifted it a little bit too much. But look, I think we did pretty good so far. That one there will still work. It just doesn't look as pretty as the other ones. It's called Character. Redo. Thanks, guys. Damn, dude. Thank you. You guys make me happy sometimes. Oh my god. This is so interesting to do. Like I said, if you guys have not done something like this, very fun project so far. Extremely fun project. A trick to this too, when you're doing like these longer pieces here, solder one leg in, come back to it, make sure it's all flush. Yep, we're good. Go back now and you can solder the rest. So with LEDs as well, do one leg, then go in and then like reflow the solder a little bit, push it in place. Bam! I think I did a pretty good job. Minus one diode. Maybe two diodes.
Oh, thank you, dude.
They weren't that smooth. Banging job for my first time, I think. I think I did a pretty solid job. Everything looks pretty straight. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. Heck yeah, dude. I'm so pumped. Yeah, I think I actually did really well. I'm actually really proud of myself, guys. Cool. Very cool. Wow. Cool. Let's get some stabs prepped. I was actually thinking about only doing a spacebar and left shift enter and going from there. Were the stab housings lube with 205D0? For which one, Clinton? For these, 205D0 just for the where the plastic meets plastic. And I'm just using some dielectric grease where the metal meets plastic. simply wonderful. Look at the bottom of this too. Super cool. So we're gonna start doing all our little standoffs here. Ooh, big pog chat. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Look at that gloss, dude. Clean. Oh. Okay, now we have it. This kind of sounds like a taupe recorder, which is kind of interesting. Feels nice too. It's a cool little project. Can you slap that spacebar? Cool. So it's all functioning. Let's just type in some stuff here. Yep, we're good. Cool. So this is the Gingham. Look at that. Pretty neat. There's the back of it. Very cool. Super cool. This was a really rewarding build. This was super rewarding.